Well, hello everybody, it's Mr. Palomine. I'm going to be going over 2x2 multiplication using the area model for 4th grade math. This should be two standards, 4.4c, which is going to be the modeling part of it, and then 4.4d, which will be just the kind of the symbolic representation and so on. The symbolic for me will still be the area model, will be this, all right, but this will be just using numbers. So I'm going to model 12 times 13 first with base 10 blocks. This is my length, and it's a length of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go down to 12 or 13. Let's see what we got here. 12. So we'll keep it at 12. All right. And if you're wondering, is that length accurate and so on, when I bring down let's see if I can move these guys out of the way over here, maybe down here somewhere. When I go to the different kind of colors, this is a 10, and here are my 2 1s. So that's the length. Right. I could, if I wanted to, kind of move them over on top. Right, and it won't let me. Let's see if I can do that. But I keep it over here so we can see the separation between the dimensions and the actual length and so on. Okay, so over here on top will be my 13. That's the length of 13. And to verify that, I'll bring in the base 10 block here. Say 10 and 3 1s. So I'm going to be modeling 12 times 13. Over here, if you want to, you can put the times and so on. It's multiplication. A length of 10 and 2. Length of 10 and 3. Okay. Then you got to ask yourselves, what is 10 times 10? Oh, that's going to be 100. What is 10 times 3, or 10 times 1, 10 times 1, 10 times 1? Well, that's going to be your 30 on this side, your 3 10s. All right. And over here, 2 times 10 is 20. And you bring out the base 10 blocks at the beginning with 4.4c. You keep your numbers maybe in the teens. Try to keep it within 12, 11 and 15 right there. All you're doing is you're establishing the rules for the area model symbolically, right? And then here it is. You can do partial quotient products in this one. That is 100. Plus, this is a 10, 10, and 10. This will be my 30. This here is my 20. Right? And this is my 6 right here. And you add all this up, you get 156. Half the students, they consider that's a 100. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 50. And then plus your 6. A lot of different ways to approach it at this point. But have the kids talk about it. See how they get you that 156. See how they get you that product. Up here on this side, we got the pictorial representation. And we're doing the exact same, we're just going to draw it out this time. Here's my factor T-chart thing here. I'm going to draw 12 here. And there's my dimension, 12. And then 13, going this way. And what we do here is we grab the edges on this side, and we're just going to come down here until they meet, establishing the area of my rectangle. And I'll do that with my mark, with my little highlighter here. And there it is. That's the area of what I'm looking for. And then we can have that talk. Okay, this is the area of the rectangle. The dimensions are 12 and 13. All right. That's what this is. This is the area of your rectangle, right? The whole thing right here. You can color code it however you want. It's up to you. Your teacher watching this, it's up to you how you color code this. Some teachers will have the kids highlight the colors out here, and it's all up to you. I like to highlight the area so that when I draw, I make these sticks come straight down right here, and these are my little borders. For my base 10 blocks, they can have a better view of what the area was. Always referencing the actual answer over here. Get it? If you want to color code and make this in colors, you can. But there's my 100. These are little 10s right here, and these are 1s. And I get the exact same answer, 156. Over here, we have 10 plus 2 times 10 plus 3. It's over here. You see this is a 10. This is my 2. This is a 10. Here's my 3. And there's your 100. 10 times 3 is 30. 2 times 10 is 20. There's my 3 tenths for a 30. My 2 tenths for a 20. And right here, I got 2 times 3 is 6. And there's my 6. Getting the exact same answer again, 156. That is it. That is 4.4c, 4.4d, area model in a nutshell. Review the video as many times as you need to. Practice all three. Have the kids build it with based on blocks. You can use actual ones for virtual. Have them draw it, and then have them work it out symbolically with this kind of little area model configuration right here. And you will have your conceptual anchor for 4th grade math done and ready to go.